Yes. In this video, I discuss about the polymerization reactions of aldehydes and ketone. Here, I take first formaldehydes. So now some important polymerization reaction of formaldehydes are, first one, when the 40% aqueous solution of a formaldehyde is known as a formalin. Formalin. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde, 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as a formalin. This solution heated on a water bath and dryness and evaporated to becomes dryness. Then we get a aldehyde. That aldehyde is called paraformaldehyde, or polymers obtained. That polymers is called paraformaldehydes. Okay, here HCHO, n number of a formaldehyde molecule, polymerization reaction. Polymerization, polymerization means conversion of a monomers into polymer is known as a polymerization reactions. Okay, as a result, we get CH2O, CH2O, CH2O. Totally n number of molecules are joined here. Okay, this compound is called paraformaldehyde. Okay, totally, if 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde heated in the water bath and allowed to stand till it become dryness, then resulting polymer is called a paraformaldehydes. This is one of the important polymers obtained from the 40% aqueous solution of the formaldehyde. Second one, around 60% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. 60% aqueous solution of formaldehyde allowed to stand are treated with a H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. Resulting polymer is called polyoxymethylene. Methylene. Okay. So it can represented as NHCHO, polymerization. Okay, polymerization process. Then we get CH2O N time dot H2O. This is called a polyoxymethylenes. So okay, this is obtained from the 60% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. 60% aqueous solution of formaldehydes treated with the concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4, polymerization reaction takes place. Resulting polymer is called polyoxymethylene. Okay. So third concept, the gaseous formaldehyde. The gaseous, third concept, gaseous formaldehyde allowed to stand for a long time. They undergoes trimerization, means three molecules are joined. Trimerization. Resulting polymer is called metaformaldehyde. Okay, this is in the case of the gaseous formaldehydes. So here three molecule CH2O double bond O. Again CH2O double bond O. Next CH2O double bond O. Three molecule. So this one gets shifted to here, this one shifted to here, this one shifted to these positions. So product form is CH2 single bond O, next single bond CH2 single bond O, again here O, next CH2, here O. This is called a metaformaldehydes. Okay, this is the third case. Then I go for the fourth case. In the fourth case, the formaldehyde treated with the calcium hydroxide, the resulting polymer is called Farmose. Okay, fourth case. Formaldehyde treated with the calcium hydroxide. Then you get a Farmose of brain. Farmose. Okay, it's a polymerization of the Farmose. Okay, formaldehyde HCHO treated with the calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Here HCOH H COH H, then COH H COH H 1 2 3 4 5 6 H Farmose. Total number carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hydrogen number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Hydrogen number 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. So this is the structure similar to the glucose, but configurations of a glucose and this Farmose are different. Configurations are different. So resulting polymer is called a Farmose. Next, fifth one, when a formaldehyde treated with the phenols, we know that resulting polymer is called Bakelite formation. Bakelite. We know that how Bakelite is formed. Here first, phenol treated with a formaldehyde HCHO. So first product here, in the presence of acids or base, first product formed is ortho, here OH, CH2, OH, alcohol. This is the primary alcohol. Ortho hydroxy methylene phenol plus para hydroxy methylene phenol. Para hydroxy methylene phenol is formed. Now this ortho and para, either ortho or para. Methoxyphenol, either ortho or para. I take ortho as an example. OH, CH2, OH. Ortho hydroxy methylene phenol. It is undergoes condensation polymerization. Means the molecules are combined. So product formed in this case is here OH, CH2, here OH, CH2. Okay, continuation, here OH, here CH2. Okay, here this side also. This is called a Novalac. Okay, this is known as a Novalac. So Novalac means this is a long chain, linear chain polymers containing a benzene ring attached to through CH2 groups is known as a Novalac. Now this Novalac further treated with a formaldehyde. I write directly here. This is the first steps A. It's the second steps B. Next I go for the third step C. This Novalac further treated the formaldehyde. Now cross-linked polymer is formed. That cross-linked polymer is called Bakelite. I directly write here cross-linked polymer is formed. It's called Bakelite here. Here OH, here CH2. Okay, now this one here OH, here CH2. This continuation here OH. Okay, another same types of another ring benzene ring, because during this reaction here actually CH2OH is formed. CH2OH, here also CH2OH. This is combined with another molecule OH. Here CH2 H is removed, here joined here. Same continuation CH2. Okay. Next continuation of this one, here CH2, here CH2, here CH2, here OH, OH. This is a cross-linked polymer. This structure is called bakelite. Okay, here n number of molecules are joined. This is called a bakelite. This is the formation of the bakelite from the formaldehydes. So these are the 5 examples for the polymerization reactions of the formaldehyde. Then I want to move for the next aldehyde, acetaldehydes. In case of acetaldehyde, there are 2 important polymers are formed in the case of acetaldehyde. So I discuss one by one here. First one, acetaldehyde I taken as next cases. Acetaldehyde. So first, acetaldehyde treated with a concentrated H2SO4. There are 3 molecules of aldehyde undergo self condensations. Condensation reaction takes place. As a result, we get faraldehyde is formed this way. So acetaldehyde, CH3C H double bond O. Another molecule CH3CH double bond O. Third one CH3C double bond O. But this is takes place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Okay, trimerization reaction takes place. This one gets shifted to here, this one shifted to here, it is shifted to here. Trimerization reactions. Okay, product form is CH, CH3, here O, okay, then CH, CH3, here O, next here once again O, here C, CH3, okay, CH3, next here join now, okay, here, so here CH3, O, then here joined here, okay, this, okay, this molecule is called paraldehyde, paraldehydes. Okay, here this is takes place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. So second reaction, this is considered A. Next B reaction. When acetaldehyde treated in the presence of a dry HCl, tetramerization takes place. Means 4 molecules of a acetaldehydes are combined. Tetramerizations. Okay. I take acetaldehyde molecules. There are 4 molecules of aldehydes molecules I considered here. First CH3 C H double bond O. Next here CH3 C H double bond O. CH3 CH double bond O. Next, okay, one more molecules here, CH3 CH double bond O this way. Okay, here polymerization reactions. So this one bond shifted here, there it is the formation bond between these two. It is a shifted here, they form bond with these two. This one shifted here, they forms a bond with these two. This one shifted here, they forms a bond with these 2 compound. But this reaction takes place in the presence of a dry HCl. Dry HCl. Tetramerization takes place here. So product formed is CH3, here O. Okay, next continuation here O, next CH3, next O, same here O, next CH3, okay, continuation here CH3, here O, okay, here O, tetramerization takes place. Okay, this compound is called metaldehydes. Okay, so these are the two polymers obtained in the case of acetaldehyde. First one is paraldehyde, second one is metaldehyde. But paraldehyde main use of this one hypnotic agent. It's a main its main use of this one hypnotic agent. Agents. Okay. Next, this is about the acetaldehyde. Then I go for the next compound is acetone. So, what are the uses of the what are the polymerization reaction of the acetone? In the case of acetone, there are two important polymers are obtained. Acetone, next compound, CH3CO CH3, polymerization reaction of acetone. So, first reaction is when acetone treated with a dry HCl, polymerization reaction takes place. As a result, mesitylene oxide plus 4N is formed. Mesitylene oxide and 4N. Acetone formula you know, CH3 CH3 double bond O plus one more molecule H2 CH C double bond O CH3, condensation reaction in the presence of dry HCl. So, elimination of water. So, product formed is CH3 C CH3 double bond CH single bond C double bond O CH3 plus H2O. Okay, this is called mesitylene oxide. Mesitylene oxide. Second one, same reaction. If we take there are 3 mole, there are 2 mole is participated in the reaction. Suppose 3 mole participated in the reaction, what happened actually? Take same types of reaction. It's A, it's a B, same types of reaction, but here 3 mole. There are 3 moles are participated here. H2 CHC double bond O C at H2 plus O double bond C CH3 CH. There are 3 mole, but in the presence of dry HCl. But there are 2 moles of water molecules gets eliminated here. Here 1 mole of water is eliminated. Okay. Next here also 1 more moles of water gets eliminated. So, resulting product formed is CH3 C CH3, next double bond, okay, next CH single bond C double bond O CH double bond C H3 CH3 plus water molecule. This is called forone. This compound is called forane. Forane. This is the name, common name of this compound, forane. Next, C, third reaction. When acetone treated with a concentrated H2SO4, what's the reaction? Acetone, CH3, double bond O, CH, H2. One more molecule, CH3, C double bond O, CH, H2. Next, CH3 double bond O, CH, H2. But this reaction takes place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Okay. So now elimination of water here. Here also one molecules of water get eliminated. Here also water molecules gets eliminated. So product form is CH3 CH double bond, here double bond CH3, next single bond CH, double bond CH3, next here double bond CH. Okay, plus water molecules gets eliminated here, minus H2O. So this is called a mesitylene. This compound is called mesitylene. This structure similar to benzene. This is also named as a IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene. It is also correct. IUPAC name of this compound 1, 3, 5 trimethyl benzene. Okay, benzene. And same types of compound is also obtained from the toluene. When toluene passes through the red hot tube, where same types of compound is obtained, that compound is called a mesytylenes. Okay, thank you.